Hello guys, use my phone Oppo A15S, 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, documentary and key for SIM slot. And in completion adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. Okay, device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner, on the front side 6.5-inch display, this IPS display HD resolution, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, on the right side power key and volume keys, downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, okay, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Helio P35, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, GPU PowerVR GE8320, resolution and display PPA. Look results and look AnTuTu benchmark results. Device support 10 touches, display support 10 touches, okay, and results AnTuTu benchmark. Run GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level, demanded game, and game works good, without lags and glitches, perfect gameplay on the max graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.